and a very good morning to all of you.
Good morning.
I would like to thank to Global Spoken English who imparted us the art of public speaking skills. My name is Kanchan and I am from Manipur, Assam. I am learning English speaking from Global Spoken English. Today, I am going to deliver a speech on mother. First of all, I would like to speak few lines in Hindi about mother. माँ न होती तो वफा कौन करेगा, माँ न होती तो वफा कौन करेगा, ममता का हक भी अदा कौन करेगा। रब हर एक माँ को सलामत रखे, रब हर एक माँ को सलामत रखे, वरना हमारे लिए दुआ कौन करेगा। Mothers are the source of life, and without them it is almost impossible to dream about life on planet Earth. They are the ones who give us birth and bring us in this world. Mothers are the ones who nurture us and make us walk on our feet. They are not only protection from evil but also show us the righteous path of life. Mothers act as a guide, a teacher and a best friend who always stand strong beside us under all the difficulties. Nothing is considered to be better than mother. Her love and care. You can select any mother. She given below according to the needs and requirements. First of all, mothers are highly responsible women. They certainly play a very important role in upbringing of a child. Most noteworthy, mothers play a huge role in determining a child's attitude. Whether a child will be good or evil in the future depends upon the mother. The moral values taught by mothers probably play a huge role. Individuals often remember their mothers and values until the old age. Hence, the mother is responsible for the well-being of society. Before ending my speech, I would like to say some beautiful lines in Hindi. ऊपर जिसका अंत नहीं होता उसे आसमां कहते हैं, ऊपर जिसका अंत नहीं होता उसे आसमां कहते हैं, और इस जहां में जिसका अंत नहीं होता उसे मां कहते हैं। I end up my speech thanking you all great people for paying heed to my words. Thank you so much and have a wonderful day.
सलाम। बहन भाइयों, अंग्रेजी की बढ़ती हुई जरूरतों को देखकर उसे नजरअंदाज नहीं किया जा सकता। अगर आप अच्छी नौकरी करना चाहते हैं या आप किसी इंटरव्यू में जाना चाहते हैं तो बगैर इंग्लिश के ये संभव नहीं है। तो बहन भाइयों, देर किस बात की,